Good morning, students. Jai Swami Narayan. I hope you all are fine. So today's thought of the day: when you know better, you do better. यानी आप कुछ भी करने के लिए, कुछ अपने दिल से आप इच्छा करते हो कुछ अच्छा करने का, तो क्या होगा? अगर आप किसी के लिए भी अच्छा करोगे या सोचोगे अच्छा करने का, तो क्या होगा? आपके साथ भी हमेशा अच्छा ही होगा. ओके, एंड दैट इज व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड दैट व्हेन यू नो बेटर. अगर आप अच्छा सोचोगे, जानोगे, तो आपके साथ हमेशा अच्छा ही होगा. व्हेन यू नो बेटर यू डू बेटर. ओके, गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स. जय स्वामी नारायण. I hope you all are fine. Okay students, as we have completed the lesson number 1, from today we are going to start lesson number 2, that is scientist and invention. There are two parts of this chapter, that is part 1 and part 2. First we will start with the part 1, and the name of that part is famous Indian scientist. Okay, like curiosity is said to be the mother of invention. What is said to be the mother of invention? Curiosity. And what is the meaning of curiosity? Jigyasa. A strong desire to know and to learn about the thing is called as curiosity. Okay? Scientists are curious to know and explore different things and process around them. Means what the scientists are curious to know and to explore the different things and process around them. When they are inventing the things now, they are taking the proper care also of all the things. Okay, we enjoy all the comforts to know of knowledge as well as life today. We are enjoy of what? The comforts of knowledge as well as of life today because of this scientist. This would be not been possible without the effort. मीन्स उनके एफर्ट्स के बिना हम आज जो पा रहे हैं वो उसमें से हम आज कुछ भी पा नहीं सकते. एंड सक्सेस ऑफ न्यूमरस scientific invention, we are able to means what we are able to get the things which is not, if these things would be not possible without the efforts and the success of numerous scientific invention. जो scientific invention ही नहीं हुई होती तो हमें आज जो सारी चीज़ें अवेलेबल है वो हमारे पास नहीं होती. Okay, some of the famous scientists of India. In this chapter now we are going to see about some of the famous scientists also, like Aryabhatta, then Chanakya, then C.V. Raman, APJ Abdul Kalam, C.V. Raman, Vikram Sarabhai, Homi Bhabha, and many more. Means in Indian country now there are many scientists who have done the great things for the improvement of the India. But in this chapter now we are going to learn and know about only few scientists. Okay, let us read more about some of the famous Indian scientists. फर्स्ट इज विक्रम साराभाई. विक्रम साराभाई भी एक इंडिया के बहुत बड़े साइंटिस्ट हैं जिन्होंने हमारे देश के लिए बहुत सारा ऐसे काम किए हैं जिससे हमारे इंडिया में सक्सेसफुल पाया है. ओके, विक्रम साराभाई वॉज बॉर्न इन अहमदाबाद ऑन 12th August 1919 in a Jain family. Where he was born? He was born in Jain family. And on which date? That is 12th August 1919. The establishment of the Indian Space Research Organization, that is ISRO, was one of his greatest achievement. मीन्स ये जो इसरो है यहाँ से बहुत सारे ऐसे इन्वेंट किए जाते तो हमारे देश के लिए बहुत तरक्की का और बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी बनती हैं यहाँ से जो हमारे देश के लिए बहुत काम की होती है, बहुत कामयाबी की होती है. तो ये कहाँ से हुआ था? ये किसने इन्वेंट किया था इसरो का? विक्रम साराभाई ने. He also supported Dr. Homi Bhabha in setting up the first rocket launching station in India. Means what, he has not only made the ISRO, but he also supported Dr. Homi Bhabha in setting up the फर्स्ट रॉकेट लॉन्चिंग, यानी जहाँ से रॉकेट लॉन्च होते हैं अलग अलग, वो सबसे पहले कहाँ जो हमारे इंडिया में है उसमें बनाने में विक्रम साराभाई ने भी अपना पूरा हेल्प दिया हुआ था और उन्हें बहुत अच्छा सपोर्ट दिया था. टू होम डॉक्टर, तो विक्रम साराभाई ने किसको दिया था सपोर्ट? डॉक्टर होमी बाबा को, जिन्होंने क्या बनाया था? फर्स्ट रॉकेट लॉन्चिंग. ओके, लॉन्चिंग स्टेशन उन्होंने कहाँ बनाया हुआ है? इंडिया में. ओके, नाउ सेकेंड, Dr. Homi Jahangir Bhabha. What is the full name of Homi Bhabha? That is Homi Jahangir Bhabha, widely regarded as the father of India's nuclear science program. He is widely regarded, यानी लोग उन्हें सबसे ज़्यादा किस चीज़ की वजह से जानते हैं? क्योंकि उन्हें फादर ऑफ इंडियाज न्यूक्लियर साइंस प्रोग्राम के लिए जाना जाता है. He was an Indian nuclear physicist, founding director and professor. Dr. Homi Jahangir Bhabha, widely regarded as the father of Indian nuclear science program, means Dr. Homi Jahangir Bhabha. What is the full name of the Homi Bhabha? It is Dr. Homi Jahangir Bhabha, widely regarded as the father of Indian nuclear science program. For what he is mostly known? He is known as the widely, means for what he is regarded mostly? He is regarded as the father of Indian nuclear science program. Okay, and he was an Indian nuclear physicist, founding director and professor of physics at the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. Means he is the director and professor also of physics at the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. Now next, Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta means he was also one of the famous scientists, पर वो आज के समय के नहीं हैं, वो बहुत पुराने समय के हैं जिन्होंने पूरी वर्ल्ड को ज़ीरो, जो हमारा नंबर है ज़ीरो, ये पूरी दुनिया में किसने दिया था उसके बारे में जानकारी, वो मैथ्स के बारे में सारी जानकारी, और एस्ट्रोनॉमर थे वो एक बहुत अच्छे, तो उन्होंने ही पूरी दुनिया को ज़ीरो क्या है उसका मतलब किसने सिखाया था? आर्यभट्टा ने. ओके, सो आर्यभट्टा वॉज एन इंडियन मैथमेटिशियन एंड एस्ट्रोनॉमर. He gave concept of zero and the balanced place value system in maths. Means who gave the concept of zero? Aryabhatta. And he has also given the place value system. In what place value किसमें दिया था उन्होंने? In maths. Maths is a subject na which you are studying. In that the place value system was given by Aryabhatta. Okay. Then next, Sri Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman. He is also a name of a scientist, was an Indian physicist. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930 for his discovery in physics known as the Raman effect. Means he was the first scientist who had got the Nobel Prize for physics. He was the means for which student? He was the Indian physicist, and he was awarded as the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930, and he had done the discovery in physics known, and the discovery which is done by him in physics is known as Raman effect. Okay student, so this is the end of part 1. Students, after completing the part 1, we are going to start the part 2 of this chapter. Okay, and that is famous discoveries and invention. In this chapter now we are going to see about some scientist which is not from the India. He is from the other part of the world. Okay, and he had explained the world how the volume is we have to find out. Okay, how the weight is find out and how the equal volume of all the thing is find out is explained by him to the whole world. Okay students, so Archimedes was a Greek scientist. From where he was from Greek. Greek is the name of a country and he was the Greek scientist. Okay, and his name is Archimedes. He lived in Syracuse nearly 2000 years ago. Where he was living? He was living in Syracuse. Nearly आज से 2000 साल पहले की ये स्टोरी है. ओके, the king of the land wanted to wear a golden crown. क्राउन यानी जो उनके सर पे होता है ना क्राउन, वो सोने का क्राउन पहनना चाहता था. Who was trying to wear the golden crown? The king was wearing, means he wanted to wear a golden crown. He means before that the people were not wearing the gold crown. For he first time he thought of making a gold crown for him. So he gave some gold to the goldsmith. गोल्डस्मिथ यानी जो सोने के सारे चीजें बनाते हैं ना, उनको कहते हैं गोल्डस्मिथ. टू मेक अ सुटेबल क्राउन he gave some gold to the he gave to whom? To the goldsmith to make a suitable crown, यानी बहुत अच्छे से उसको सूट हो वैसा क्राउन बनाने के लिए कहा. After a few days the goldsmith came with the crown to the king. Means after some days जब उन्होंने उसे किंग को ने अपने गोल्डस्मिथ को कुछ गोल्ड दिया क्राउन बना के लाने के लिए, कुछ दिनों बाद गोल्डस्मिथ वहाँ पे वो क्राउन लेके आ गया. ओके, और वो किसके लिए लाया था क्राउन? किंग के लिए. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, द क्राउन वॉज वेटेड. मीन्स जब वो क्राउन when that goldsmith gave to the king, now what they did, first they do the weighting of that crown, यानी उसका वजन लिया गया कि वो क्या है. The weight of the crown was equal to the gold gives to the goldsmith by the king. Means what the जब उन्होंने दिया था तो क्या किया था उन्होंने? गोल्ड को बराबर के जो उनका गोल्डस्मिथ को किंग ने क्या उसको बराबर जो उसका वेट होता है उस हिसाब से क्राउन को बनाने के लिए दिया था. और वो जब लाए तब भी वो उसी बराबर माप का था. The king looked at the color of the crown. Means when the goldsmith brought that crown, now what he did first? He looked at the color of the crown. Okay, he suspected that the goldsmith has stolen some gold. Stolen means चुरा लिया. So when he had shown that goldsmith golden crown, what the king thought that the goldsmith might have stolen some of the crown given by the goldsmith might have stolen some of the gold given by the king. So but the king was not sure. पर जो उन्होंने सोचा कि ये जो गोल्डस्मिथ है उसने शायद कुछ जो गोल्ड दिया गया है उसकी चोरी की है, पर वो श्योर नहीं था कि क्या सच में गोल्डस्मिथ ने कुछ चोरी की भी है या नहीं. The king wanted to find out the truth. तो ये जब when the king came to know that he might be taken some gold or he might be not, so he wanted to find out the truth. वो सच जानना चाहते थे कि क्या सच में उन्होंने कुछ लिया भी है या नहीं. He asked his court. The king was not the. He asked to court scientist Archimedes to find out. To whom he asked this question, this solution that whether goldsmith has taken or not. He asked to the Archimedes the scientist, and he told him to find out whether the goldsmith has taken the gold or not. Okay, the king said, find out how much gold has been stolen. Means he was asking when he was telling what he have to find out. At that time he told also to him that you have to find out that at means how much gold this person might have taken and stolen. Okay, stolen करना यानी चुराना. How to find out the truth? Archimedes thought about the problem day and night. मीन्स उसको ना ये सच समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा था, मिल ही नहीं रहा था कि कहाँ से ढूंढे कि ये गोल्डस्मिथ ने गोल्ड लिया है या नहीं. वो दिन रात बस यही सोचते रहते थे. ही वॉज जस्ट थिंकिंग ऑफ दिस प्रॉब्लम डे एंड नाइट. One day he was about to have his bath. Means what happened one day ना, he was about to take his bath. बाथ लेना यानी नहाना. But he was busy thinking. But when his time was there now taking the bath, he was very busy in thinking only about that question, that how much gold that person might have taken or not. He was thinking continuously that only. And when he was thinking that, at the time when he was going for the bath, at that time also he was thinking the same thing. He did not notice the bathtub. यानी जब वो यही सब सवालों में सोच रहे थे तो उन्होंने जब नहाने के लिए गए, बाथ लेने के लिए, एट ए टाइम ही डिड नॉट नोटिस ऑल्सो जो बाथ टब जिसमें आराम से बैठ के सब नहाते हैं ना, वो बाथ टब पे नोटिस करना भी उनके ध्यान में नहीं रहा. इमीडिएटली अ लार्ज क्वांटिटी ऑफ वाटर फ्लोड ओवर टू ब्रिम ऑफ द बाथ टब. यानी जैसे वो अपने ही सोच में थे और he has not even noticed that the bathtub ना. At that time what happened when he went inside to a large amount get out of that water bathtub. जब वो उन्हें bathtub में बैठ के नहाने के लिए बैठने गए ना, तो उस समय वो जैसे ही अंदर गए तो बहुत सारा जो वाटर था वो bathtub से बाहर गिर गया. He noticed this. Suddenly there was a flash in his mind. उन्होंने कुछ ध्यान दिया. जैसे ही पानी बाहर गिरा ना उनके बाथटब से, उन्होंने नोटिस किया. And suddenly he has thought something and a flash in his mind. There was a flash in his mind. यानी उनको उस समय अचानक से याद आ गया कि क्या क्या हुआ था. He jumped out of the bathtub shouting. Means when he understood now what the thing might have happened, so when he came out of that bathtub now, what he did, he started shouting, "Who, Eureka, Eureka!" Eureka in Greece means I have found it. Means when he came out of that bathtub now, he started shouting like Eureka, Eureka, and the meaning of Eureka in Greek means that I have found it. Means I have found out the problem which the king has told him to solve him na, that whether that goldsmith has taken the gold or not. So this Archimedes has what done, he had solved the problem. He had solved the things which was given to him by the king, and because of that he was very happy and he was shouting Eureka, Eureka. Okay. Thus, it was found that different metals of the same weight have different volume. Means what he said, that the different metal of the same weight, अगर अलग अलग भले metals हो पर उनकी अगर weight same हो तो क्या होता है, उनका volume जो होता है is different from the each other. Object just put in water will displace water. Means what happen, object like अगर आप पानी डालोगे तो पानी ही उसमें क्या होगा, उतना ही पानी दिखाई देगा. The displaced water will be equal to their volume. यानी आप जितना पानी ऐड करोगे उतना ही आप उसका वॉल्यूम फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो. हम ओके. सो इन दिस वे वी हैव completed the part 2 also. Okay students, so we will read this again part 1 and part 2, and after that we will start the writing work. Okay students, so goodbye and take care.